Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Crypto Insider channel. I am the Crypto Insider, back with another cryptocurrency video for you. Today is April 1st, 2020, April Fool's Day. And, I thought about doing some, inane ramble on some stupid topic that had nothing to do with cryptocurrency. The history of the codpiece, I don't know, pick any topic, and but I thought everybody would probably just tune out. And we are here to talk about cryptocurrency, so we want to get our mission accomplished today. In any case, I hope the audio is sounding a little better than it has been in the past week. I know yesterday's video seemed to have turned out pretty good, so we're going to continue those same settings today and hope for the best when we do all of our exporting and editing. On the screen before you, if you're new to the channel, you're going to see a confirmation tweet to @goodxrp for 9XRP. That means we got about 17 subscribers yesterday. There is the subscriber harp right on time there, telling us that we had a good day's worth of subscribers. For each new subscriber, we send a little bit of XRP. @goodxrp is a charity aggregator. They break it down, send it off to 9 other places, and we've been doing that for, I don't know, several months now. We've actually sent a fair amount of XRP to @goodxrp, so hopefully these charities are able to get some of their mission accomplished, and we would like to send more. So if you know anybody interested in cryptocurrency or listening to some one bloviate on and on, please send them a link to our channel, and we will send a donation on their behalf too. Let's go to, also the disclaimer, I'm not a tax person, investment advisor, or anything like that. Just a guy that works in the fintech space, online making cryptocurrency videos. We're going to get a live coin watch. It looks like we've taken a little bit of a dive overnight, but that's common. I think the stock market did as well. We're up over the last hour, but still no huge moves. When you're talking 1.23% of 17.2 cents, in the case of XRP here, it's not a huge swing. It's 0.005 or something from where we were yesterday. Bitcoin dominance seems to be falling a little bit over the past few days, but nothing to write home about. I think we need to get this around 50% before you start to see the charts really diverge. I don't see any big top 10 winners. In fact, there isn't any top 10 winners. Not until you get down into the top or the 10 to 20 by market cap do you start to see some gainers. We got Chainlink, which is one of our positions, up 3.89%. And we've got a few more smaller gainers here. I don't know if we gained on H-bar or not. It doesn't look like it. We're down 0.73%. That's okay. H-bar is still up for the year. We're going to talk about that in another article, some of these positions that we've taken here at the Crypto Insider channel. Technical analysis for XRP. Just over the past 15 minutes, it looks like some of the indicators are up, but over the past 24 hours, we are down. Look at this high in the past 24 hours is 0.178. Right now, we're sitting at 0.172. So we have lost a little. Like I said, it's around 0.005 or 6. But this stuff changes very, very quickly, and we will see what happens here as the world gets accustomed to living in a coronavirus reality. We're going to see price action that maybe we have not seen before. but still the use case is going to be there, maybe even more so if people are trying to distance themselves from transactions. We could end up being in a better place than we've actually considered. I'm cautiously optimistic. I hope you are too. Let's go to 11 News. This article really talks about the big winners, crypto-wise, of March. And some of these are crypto insider picks. 2 out of 3 are crypto insider picks. So we're going to talk about those. This article just coming out 42 minutes ago. So we're probably one of the first on it. Tezos, let's read the opener statement. The cryptocurrency market saw the month of March drawing to a close, a month that saw many of the market's top tokens and coins recording significant losses. Despite the magnitude of the fall last month, however, a few cryptos bounced back and were on their way to the path of recovery. Tezos is the first one, and it shows the Tezos USD pair on TradingView. Um, Tezos, the 10th largest coin on CoinMarketCap's list, has been the best performer among all the top cryptos, with almost 190% in growth. XTZ continued with its positive price performance despite the many bear traps spread across the market. The coin reported a year-to-date return of 19.47%, while reporting a minimal loss in price over the last 24 hours. The coin's immediate resistance and support were marked at $1.80 and $1.21 respectively, as the MACD overtook the signal line, indicating a return to bullishness. Even though the indicators point towards the green market, the momentum was low. Tezos Staking Bakery in the United States moved to Ireland on March 31st. Coinbase added the staking service in 2019. Since then, has become the operator of the largest validator on the Tezos network. Um, Staking, of course, is where for an end customer on an exchange, staking is where you basically lock up amount of Tezos and you get paid in small amounts of Tezos for it. Well, it's actually, yeah, I say small amounts, but for most exchanges, it's anywhere from 5 to 6%. Coinbase being the lower, I think at 5.31%. Kraken is paying 6% to stake Tezos. So it's almost like getting 6% interest, which you're not going to do on any traditional bank account. Anything offered by a traditional bank is not going to give you 6%. I don't care if it's a money market, if it's a jumbo CD. I'm just not seeing those interest rates anywhere. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough. Maybe there's one. I mean, a minimum deposit account. If you put $1 million in, they'll pay you 6. I don't know. But I haven't seen anything near 6% on in traditional banking. Now the drawback is, crypto is volatile. So 6% one day could be a great thing, and 6% the next day might not be so wonderful. If the price has dropped 40% below when you bought it, a 6% return is still uh, not digging you out of the hole. But the next one on the list is something called Synthetic Network Token, SNX. Now, I've not heard of this crypto. If it's something that you guys like or have positions in, why don't you go ahead and tell me about that in the comments section? Because I'd like to look more into this coin. If it was one of the big performers for March, I should do it anyways. But I don't want to talk about a coin every day that nobody's really interested in. I know a lot of people come to the channel for XRP and Tezos and maybe some Link and HBAR occasionally. So if you don't like, or you do like the synthetic network token, go ahead and tell me in the comments. And if we get some interest in it, we'll start including it in our rotation. The coin's 24-hour circulating supply was 2.21 million, and it was priced at 61 cents at press time. The coin faced one of the largest devaluations on March 12th, but did since manage to report 2.27 in growth over the past 24 hours. Synthetics had announced earlier this month that of its plans to add new features, including derivatives trading on its platform. These additions will be brought in by Q3 of 2020. Now that's interesting because if you recall the video from yesterday, derivatives trading is a huge, huge, huge market, and it's basically speculation. I'm not going to get too much into what futures and swaps are right now. Maybe we'll talk about it on Saturday or something. But the derivatives market is a very, 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 very big market, dwarfing remittances. So to have a platform that is specifically designed for derivatives, maybe it will see some action. I'm not sure. Hedera Hashgraph is one that we have here, position. I'm kind of an early adopter of HBAR. I would have loved to have bought some back in September of last year. Whenever it first came out, I wanted to buy it, but I didn't know where to buy it because in the US, you're limited on what exchanges you can use. They all have to follow the KYC and stuff, and it's not on Coinbase. But that's something to look forward to. As this as HBAR picks up in popularity and there's demand for it, Coinbase probably will list it, and that always is a bump to price. So if you can get some HBAR now, you might be in a good position. Of course, after consulting with all of your investment advisors and tax planners and accountants, not me, you want to consult with them on HBAR. But generally, what we see after somebody after a coin gets added to Coinbase, they see some increase in the valuation just because Coinbase has so many customers. Here's the HBAR USD pair. Hedera Hashgraph performed well even in a bearish month like March. Despite losing some of its value due to the roaring bear, the coin's year-to-date still stood at 199.64%. I mean, that's ridiculous returns. The H-bar market also appeared to be in full swing, noting a bullish trend is highlighted by the parabolic SAR indicator. I'm not sure what a SAR indicator is. I am not a technical analysis. Um, I'm going to have to look up that because I don't, it's not immediately coming to me. I usually recognize these acronyms in technical analysis like relative strength index and different the different oscillators and stuff, but I'm not sure exactly what that is. Maybe it's probably something stupid. My brain just isn't clicking yet. I'm still drinking my coffee this morning. Uh, Hedera Hashgraph is a distributed ledger technology recognized for building decentralized applications. Recently, Indian companies like Tata Communications and Wipro joined the governing council of Hedera, which already includes Google, IBM, Nomura, Boeing, and FIS, that's Fidelity Information Services, uh, which is one of the biggest financial services company in the world. I'm pretty sure it's the biggest. So they've got all these heavy hitters: Google, IBM, Nomura, Boeing, Wipro, and my guess is that we still have a lot of opportunity for price growth in HBAR. Right now in the US, I'm buying it on Bittrex, but I don't know wherever you are. There may be different requirements to start an account on an exchange. We like HBAR. We're going to keep at it. Let me know again about that synthetics coin if that's something you're interested in. There's my music. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit of reflex this morning. There's my music. I'm going to put up some additional videos for you to continue your crypto insider journey. So click away, and we will get back with you tomorrow.